In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy. It is by far probably the most simplest smart money concept strategy you will ever see. In fact, I'm pretty sure if my mom watched this video and she understood the rules, she would master it too. Now, smart money concept is basically a term that retail traders gave institutional traders on how they trade, because at the end of the day, institutional traders are moving the market. Institutions, hedge funds, banks, anybody with extremely large trading accounts, they are moving the market. And retail traders call it smart money concepts, where they explain where these institutions enter trades. Now, I wouldn't really say that these institutions and banks are smart people, because, I know a lot of millionaires that aren't smart. And again, institutions lose money, banks lose money. One recently, Silicon Valley Bank recently went bankrupt. So I wouldn't really consider them smart. But I guess if we do trade today's strategy, that too will make us smart. Who would have thought? Now, I don't personally trade smart money concepts. I think there's a lot simpler and easier. I can't really say easy, but it's definitely a lot simpler ways to trade and make a consistent profit than smart money concepts, because it seems to be smart money concept seems to be very controversial. There's a lot of people say do this, some of them say do that, and you can't really get a defined answer on how to trade it. Everyone's kind of contradicting one another. And I always say, if you want to learn smart money concepts, you want to learn how an institution trades, then go learn from an institution. Don't listen to retail traders explaining how institutions trade, because you get this mismatch of information. One trader will say this, another trader will say that, and it's like, yeah, whatever. I think there's a lot more simpler ways to trade. But with that said and done, I'm going to show you a very simple smart money concept strategy. So enjoy today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Financial Service Commission. Myself and the BD members have been using Go Markets for over 7 years now. They go above and beyond to support the BD community and their traders. They offer award-winning customer support, thousands of tradable products, and some of the lowest spreads in the industry. This is perfect if your style of trading is scalping like mine. If you're interested in signing up to Go Markets, please use the link in the description below. Thank you and enjoy today's video. Okay, so let's set up the strategy first and then go over the rules and then we'll do some simulation. Now, I haven't ever traded this strategy. I know how to trade it. It was something I wouldn't say I created, but when I learned to trade many years ago, I went down to London and I spent a couple of days on a institutional trading desk, an actual trading floor. And I learned it from there, but I never kind of traded it. I kind of went off and did something else, but it's always been in my back of my mind. So I thought I would show you in today's video. Now, basically, the setups on this happen all the time, okay? Every hour of the day, it's not a particular time. Any single day, currency pairs, stocks, indices, this works on everything. And yes, I know, yes, it does work on absolutely everything. Once you see it, you'll think, oh my God, I see these setups everywhere on my charts, everywhere. Okay, so first of all, let's set it up. Okay, so we are going to just pick a random currency pair. Let's pick Euro USD. Okay, we're using 2 time frames, 1 minute and 1 hour. Just 2 time frames, 1 minute, 1 hour. Okay, so I'm going to bring up the 1 minute here. Okay, I'm going to put this like this here. Same again, pure price action, nothing else. We are trading like an institution. We are smart traders today. So as well, we're going to bring up the 1 hour chart as well. 1 hour chart. Right, okay. Now, like I said, I haven't really traded this, so I'm going to be a bit rough, a bit rough on the edges, but trust me, I'm sure we'll make some money with it. It's not complicated. So what we're looking for, right, okay, so let me find you a setup and then we will do some trading together, okay, because it's easier rather than explaining what I'm looking for. I'll find you a setup and then we can, okay, right, okay, so, hold on, let me find it. Okay, here we go there. Okay, right. So what we are looking for is, first of all, 2 liquidity sweeps, okay? Look, I'll do it as simple as I can, right? Okay, we won't talk about smart money like terminology because, you know, some people are going to get confused. We'll just talk about like what we can physically see, okay? Because I don't want to confuse you, because then you turn something that's very simple into complication. Okay, so what we're looking for is mainly 2 rejection wicks like this at the same level. 2 rejection wicks roughly at the same level, okay? It tells me a liquidity sweep has happened. Liquidity has been taken. Institutions have come into play, okay? As soon as we get that, okay, this whole area becomes an area of interest because that's where the liquidity is. Liquidity was took here. Liquidity was took here. Once we see this, okay, we then mark up the lowest low, okay, for a sell. We mark up the lowest point, which is just there. You see that? Just there. You see that little point just there? If I just put a line, okay, that there is the lowest point in the entire move. This area here, okay, this whole area, these 2 liquidity sweeps, this is the lowest point in that area. Okay, I don't count this one here. That was a terrible box, but yeah, there we go there. Let's do it from here. There we go there. So this is the lowest point, okay? So what we do is we go down to the 1 minute and we find that lowest point, which is just there. See that? Just there. That's the lowest point in this entire move. Now watch this. Price will, I mean, like I said, I don't know if this is going to happen, but this is the concept. It will work, okay? Watch this. Price is going to bounce off this, break it, retouch it, and that's where we sell, okay? So I will do it bar by bar, okay? So price, again, we're ignoring everything at the minute now. We've marked up our 2 liquidity sweeps. We're then waiting for that lowest of the low. Okay, ready? Watch it. It's going to come down. It's going to come down. Eventually, it's going to come down. I'm going to have to speed it up just a little bit. Right? Okay, I'm going to put this line across just there. Here we go. We're going to come down eventually. There we go there. Bang. See that? Boom. See that rejection? Now what I'm looking for, look at that. Look at that retouch. It's almost pinpoint perfect, isn't it? Watch this, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a wide stop loss, okay? 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. I mean, like I said, I haven't traded this. So in terms of stop losses and take profits, I can't tell you exactly, you know, could go for 1 to 5, could go to 1 to 7. You could use a 2 pip stop loss. Again, I'm just going for a round number 1 to 2. Okay, so let's go with a 1 to 2. Hold on, my screen's just about to turn off. There we go there. Hold on. You can tell I've spent too much time on the computer today. Right, okay. So there's me stop loss. There's me take profit, yeah? Right? Watch that. Come on, come down. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to just get rid of everything again. And same again. We're looking for 2 rejection wicks. Let me just do this to the 1 hour. Right? Okay, see here. Right, you see how you got rejection wicks here? This as well is also counting because it's taking liquidity at this level here, right? As long as you start to see wicks, right? The main important part is wicks, lots of wicks, minimum 2 wicks, okay? Minimum 2, but 2, 3, 4, 5, fine, absolutely fine, okay? We want to see the liquidity being taken. Once we see that, we then mark up the highest point, okay? Just there, you see that? This there is the highest point in this move. So we go back to the 1 minute time frame and we mark up that highest point in that move, which is just there. And we, same again, for a buy now, for a buy, we want to see break, retouch, okay? Now, the good thing about this is, look, it stops us from, you know, there's no setup here. Okay, you see how price went lower. Okay, so on this particular occasion, the institutions didn't really want to go into our favor. Okay, no problem. We haven't took a trade. That's it. That is about as simple as the rules can be. So watch this again. Okay, so same again here. I'm looking for rejection wicks. Okay, so here we go here. Here we go here. See the rejection wicks here, right? See the rejection wicks just there. Look at that. All that here. Okay. Again, when we see these rejection wicks, we mark up the highest point, which is just there. See that? This here, just there, if I zoom in, is the highest point in this whole move. Okay? Again, we broke lower than that, so there was no move to play. Okay? There was no move. So, same again. Hang on, I just missed that one here as well. Look at this one. Look at those two rejection wicks. See that? Two rejection wicks. Same again, we're going to mark up the highest point here, just there. See that? That is the highest point in this move. So we go back to the 1 minute, we find that move, which is just there, or that point. I think it was there. Yeah, it was just there, okay? Watch this. So same again, I'm going to do it bar by bar. We want to see us retouch this level. We're going to retouch it. It's going to bounce off it slightly to say, yes, I'm ready to give you the money. I'm ready to kind of give you a winning setup. So watch this. We're going to touch it. Bang. Okay. Watch it come back down to retouch. Boom. Look at that. Look at that again. So same again. We're going to go for a 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. Don't stop us out. That's going to be annoying if it does. Okay. Here we go here. Thank you very much. Look at that. We've now made 4% on the account. Look at that. Look at that. But this is what I'm trying to say, is that there's definitely a lot more pips for this. You know, if you want to go for a 5 pip stop loss, 100 pip take profit, it's up to you, right? But trust me, when you see these setups time and time again on the charts, you will sit there. Look, same again, right? Look at these rejection wicks here, right? Hold on here. Let me just see if we go a little bit higher. No, right? Okay. So you see these rejection wicks here. So if I just zoom in here, see that rejection wick? Okay, and this area here. So same again now. We're going to mark up the lowest point in this, okay? The lowest point in this move, okay? Which, again, becomes here. Just there. See that? Just there. See that point just there? That is the lowest point. If I just take it back here, there you go there. That is the lowest point in this move. That point just there. If I go back to the 1 minute, I've got to find that now. It is just here. This point just there. It's the lowest point in this move. So watch this again, right? We're going to come back down to it. I'll do it on the 1 minute time frame. Right? Ready? We're going to touch it again. Hold on. When it comes down here, it will come. There you go. Boom. Watch this. We're going to retouch it. Would I count that? I want to see an actual break below and retouch, to be fair. Okay, hold on. Let me go back to 1 minute. Let me see what happens here. Let me see what happens. You see, I don't think I would count that, no. I mean, yes, price did drop massively from that level. In fact, there you go. There you go. Sorry about that one. It did retouch it just there. See that? Look at that. Look at that. It just retouched it there. See that? That was the lowest point, and we came back to retouch it there. So, yeah, unfortunately, I missed that one. I wouldn't say that was the picture-perfect setup, but, you know, it worked. There you go there. I'll show you one more. Okay, so same again. We're looking for rejection wicks, right? So, there we go. First rejection wick, but we haven't come back down. Okay, so, there. Hold on. I've gone going too fast on here, right? There's one just there. Look at all these rejection wicks here. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. Okay. Once we see that, we mark up the lowest point in this market. Just somewhere around there. Just there. That becomes the lowest point in this move. Okay. We go back to the 1 minute. Where is that lowest point here? Let's take it to, let's take it there. Okay. It doesn't, yeah, it does matter because institutions we need to know. Let me just see if we come down. Perfect. So that's confirmed that that level is valid. Okay. Bang. Retouch. Come on. Come on. Retouch it. That was annoying. I thought maybe we retouched it just there. I don't think we're going to come back and retouch it, are we? No. So that, you got to be really pinpoint on these entry points. Let's do it again. Let's do it again, right? Here we go here. No. Okay, let's find another one. Okay, right. So here we go here. Right, okay. So we've got a lot of rejections just there. See that? Again, a lot of rejections. So let's take it back to here. Where is the highest point in this market? It is just there. That there becomes the highest point just there. See that? So we go back to the 1 minute. Where is that point? It is just there. That becomes the highest point in this move. So what we want to see, yes, you've guessed it, we want to see us bounce off it, which is just about to happen. There you go there. Just touched it there. We're going to break above it. Come on, retouch it. Come on, come back down. Come back down. Come back. Perfect. Hello. Thank you very much. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Watch this. Okay, so same again. 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. Thank you very much. Come on, come up. Don't stop me out. We're going to do a few more liquidity sweeps and come on, push higher, push higher. Thank you very, come on. Oh, we get stopped out. Okay, that's annoying. That's annoying. Right, okay. Okay, so we're going to carry on again. Right, okay, so here we go here. Right, more rejection wicks, which is great. So same again, we're going to mark up the highest point, which is just there. Just there. See that? So same again, we're going to go to the 1 minute. Where is that highest point? It is just here, just at that top zone just there. So same again, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this really slowly this time so we can actually get a perfect entry point. Okay, we're still going sideways. Okay, here we go here. Thank you very much. Was that a retouch? Hold on, I'm going to bring that all the way across there. Okay, so we haven't broken above it yet. We haven't broken above this level yet. Come on, retouch. Thank you very much. Watch this. You ready? 5 pip stop, 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. And here we go here. We're rocking and rolling. Where's my take profit on this one? At the top zone there. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. What we'll do is we'll do one more, okay? One more, because like I said, I'm a bit rough with this. I haven't traded this in like 6-7 years. In fact, I've never traded it. Here we go here. Here we go here. Right, so see him again. Hold on, let me get back here. Right, same again. See these rejection wicks at the bottom? So same again, we're going to mark up the highest point, which is just there. Just there on this whole area. So you see this whole area just here? This whole area, rejection wicks. There becomes the highest point. So same again. By the way, these are not picture perfect setups. I'm just basically going with every setup that I see. So you ready? I'm going to mark that point up there. That becomes the highest point. Okay. So same again. We're going to do this on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. And we're going to wait for our rejection, which has just happened there. Okay, hold on. I'm going to make it a little bit slower. There we go there. Okay, again, sorry, I've gone a bit fast on this one. I've gone a bit fast. But yes, there is our break and retouch of this level. Look at that, break and retouch. Thank you very much. Oh, hang on here. Look, 10 pip stop loss is way down there. Let's go for something a little bit tighter, yeah? Let's go for a 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit, yeah? Happy with that one? Done. There we go there. Watch this. Thank you very much. Let's get our 10 pips and we'll move on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's do one more. Let's see if we can find a sell, yeah? So we are looking for a sell. So obviously we need to be in an uptrend to have a sell. Okay, here we go here. Rejection wicks. Look at these rejection wicks. Okay, right. So I'm going to mark up the lowest point, which becomes there. That becomes the lowest point. Rejection wicks on top. That becomes the lowest point in this move, right? So I want to see, first of all, do we go lower? So I'm going to do this bar by bar. Okay, no, we go higher. Okay, so there's no move. That move now becomes invalid. Okay, so we are looking for a sell. So let me try and find you a sell. We've got to obviously go into the opposite direction because we're in a downtrend. We need an uptrend. Here we go here. Now, I wouldn't count that one. Sorry about that. I had to run to the front door. You don't know, you can't see this, but I've got a brand new office coming and my new desk has just been delivered. So I've just spent the last 20 minutes sorting that out. But yes, let's do one more setup, one more sell trade. So same again, we're going to look for sell trades now. So I'm going to wind it a little bit forward so you know that I haven't cheated or anything. So same again, we're going to stop. And we are looking for sells. So what do we want to see for sells? We want to see rejection wicks on top, like this. Okay, but do we come down? That's the question. Yes, we do. Okay, so look at these rejection wicks on top, right? We're going to mark up this whole area here, right? So this whole area is the rejection wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, if you want to count that one over there. We mark up the lowest point in this move, which is just here. Just there, see that? The lowest point, see that? So 1 minute time frame, where is that? I've got to find that now. I think it's just there, right down here. That is the lowest point in this area. So what we want to see when we see this, you guessed it, we want to see a lower low. I'm going to do this on the one, because I'm on the 1 minute chart now, don't I? I first of all want to see us retouch this level. Okay, I want to see us reject from it. There we go there. There's that rejection. It's like pinpoint, isn't it? It's perfect. Then we're going to break below it. Okay. Okay, at the minute we're bouncing off it. Okay, so maybe we might not get a setup from this level. Let's see. I'm going to do it really slowly. Okay, no, it looks like we're maybe going into an uptrend. Maybe. Yeah, I think this. Oh, no, we still could come down. We still could come down. Oh, guess what? I missed it again. Right, I'm going to take this across here. And what do we see right at this level here? Look at that. Oh, yeah, just there. Look at that. Break and retouch of this level. Literally just there. Okay, let me have a quick look at the 1 hour. Yeah. Look how pinpoint accurate this is. Look at it. Right? This is the lowest low of this whole area. And what it basically is telling us is that, yes, liquidity has been taken now. The banks are coming into play. They're going to break the lowest low of this area. Then we're going to retouch it. And that's when we're going to make the money. Okay. So see how we retouch it here, right? We've got to be really pinpoint perfect at this. Okay. So I'd probably say that, let's just be honest. Let's just say there. Okay. We'll go with a 15 pip stop loss, 30 pip take profit. Okay. Wide stop loss. Okay. It's up there. It's out the way. Take profits down there. Do we win the trade? Come on. Look how much price moves down there. Look at, oh, that is annoying. How annoying is that? It literally kissed my take profit. Kissed it. And then it's going to probably reverse and stop me out. No, okay, it won. There you go there. But look at that. Look how pinpoint perfect this was. Now, like I said at the start, I am rough with this. I haven't traded this strategy before. It's something that's sat in the back of my mind for like 7 years. But there you go, you know, do the simulation. You will see how accurate it is and you'll have fun like me. I have in this simulation. So thank you. We made a nice little 10% gain, 9.2% gain. But thank you and enjoy today's video. Thank you for watching today's video.